In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to NordVPN and verify your IP. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. Give it a moment to load so it can fetch the latest server list. If the app prompts you to update, it's worth doing that for the best stability and security. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see a world map and a panel of available locations. The layout may vary slightly between desktop and mobile, but the controls work the same way across devices. Next, choose where you want to appear online. You can zoom and drag on the interactive map, then click a highlighted country or city. This is great if you prefer a visual way to explore servers. If you already know the place you want, use the search bar at the top and start typing the country or city name. You can also scroll through the list of available locations to compare your options. If you see indicators of server load, choosing one with lighter traffic can help with speed and stability. As a general tip, servers closer to your real location usually give faster speeds, while connecting to another region can help you access content or websites that are limited to that area. If a country offers multiple cities, picking a specific city can help you fine-tune performance or get a location that better matches what you need. When you've found your spot, click it to connect. The app will show a brief connecting status, then switch to connected once the secure tunnel is established. That means your internet traffic is now encrypted and routed through the VPN server you selected. If the connection takes longer than expected, simply wait a few seconds. If it fails, choose another nearby location and try again. Finally, verify that everything is working. Open your web browser and search for "What is my IP" on Google. You should see your IP address and a location that matches the VPN server you picked, not your home region. Keep in mind that the city shown can be approximate, but it should align with the server's country and often the city. Some sites cache location data, so a private window can give a cleaner check. If the page still shows your original location, refresh the results or momentarily disconnect and reconnect to the same server, then check again. That's it. You've opened NordVPN, selected a location using the map, search, or list connected, and confirmed your new IP. You're now ready to browse with added privacy and a location that suits your needs.